Hi everyone, as you can see it is a rainy day here in Central Florida, but it is the return of fireworks at Epcot, so we're hoping it will pass and we'll have a great show tonight.
We made a rookie Disney mistake that I can't believe we made. We left our ponchos and umbrella at home. So Kristin is sending me into the park to buy ponchos and umbrella, and then I have to bring them back to the car. It's not raining too bad, so hopefully I can get in and get out with the umbrella and the ponchos. Okay, we're almost to the parking lot so we can get Kristin and get back into the park. Your prince has arrived, my lady.
Yes.
Umbrella.
Nice and shiny.
And the royal ponchos.
Yay. Okay, good.
All right, we got our ponchos on and we're heading in the park. It's nothing like that new poncho smell. Kind of smells like alcohol though.
Because we're at Epcot. We're gonna drink.
It's very true. All right, I'm about ready to go in for the second time. Just a couple hours, the World Showcase Lagoon is going to come alive again. Now what you're seeing is the infrastructure for the brand new show Harmonious that's coming October 1st. I'm not sure if they're going to use that equipment for this show or not. I've heard there's a small chance. I've also heard they might not be using the kites. So we'll just have to see what show we get tonight. So Kristin's checking the weather on her phone, hoping it's a better outlook because it wasn't really good last time.
If I can get my fingerprint to recognize, because my phone's wet and will not unlock for me.
All right, so Kristin just checked the weather. It doesn't sound very good. What's the latest update, Kristin?
So that last little bit of pocket of thunderstorms was going to come through about 8:30 to 9:30, so it would have been perfect if it cleared out right in time for fireworks around 10. But now it looks like that pocket's not clearing out until like 11:30. So
Man.
have no idea. Haven't gotten any official word yet.
So it is going to be really up in the air, but we're counting on faith, trust, and hopefully pixie dust.
Yeah.
So explain this ensemble you have going on right now.
Oh, help! I'm stuck. I can't get out. Okay, how?
So we've made an alteration. No longer stuck.
It has to be perfect because the ears can't get wet. Like there's batteries. So I have to
You're gonna look like you're in DeVoe or something. It's only an hour and a half until Epcot Forever starts. There's people starting to camp out along the World Showcase Lagoon to get a spot for the show. The weather's not deterring anybody. We're just hoping it doesn't deter the fireworks.
Travelers, at 10 o'clock p.m., Epcot invites you to join us for Epcot Forever, a spectacular celebration of everything Epcot. World Showcase will come alive with amazing color and light as we journey through Epcot's past and leap into its exciting future. The show can be experienced from all around the World Showcase Lagoon. Remember,
she's ready now.
And in just 15 minutes, we invite you to enjoy Epcot Forever. In just a few minutes, the World Showcase Lagoon will burst with color and light as we journey through Epcot's past and leap into its exciting future.
One little spark of inspiration
We call it Epcot.
is at the heart of all creation.
EPCOT.
Right at the start of everything that's new.
Experimental, prototype, community, off to Mars.
One little spark. Welcome to the future, or should I say, your future. If we can dream it, then we can do it. Yes, we can. Yes, we can.
Here we go, through the universe of energy, let it flow, see you go, it's the universe of energy, the universe
Soarin Tower, we are ready for takeoff.
I'm yours, and you mine. Veggie fruit, fruit, veggie, veggie fruit, fruit. Veggie fruit, fruit, veggie, veggie fruit.
Epcot is, and will always be in a state of becoming. It will never cease to be a living blueprint of the future.
the show. I know Harmonious is the next big thing, but Epcot Forever is great. The soundtrack just embodies what Epcot is, and the way it's bookended by Walt Disney's quotes about Epcot, got a little teary-eyed on that, not gonna lie. I'm so happy fireworks are back. It's just something that I didn't realize how much I missed. Hi everyone, well, we finally made it to the car. We're very wet. Very, very wet.
Yes, very wet. I definitely did shed a tear or two because it was just so amazing. It was amazing the minute the lights went down. It was amazing the song started.
And Walt Disney's quote, when Walt Disney came on and started talking about Epcot experimental prototype community tomorrow, it gave me chills. I think I shed a tear too. I don't know if a lot of you know, but this was actually Walt Disney's final project. He was actually working on Epcot on his deathbed. So it's very special. It's a special place like no other.
Yeah.
Even met a new friend, Scott from Wisconsin. Thanks for the taffy. If you are out and about and have candy, say hi to us.
There's a bug!
Oh no!
There's a bug!
Where'd it go?
I don't know!
There's a bug in the poncho.
I know!
Poncho bug.